Hi guys, it's Chris L, Lightspeed Digital Media, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to configure your web events. So before I continue, I'd love it if you could just click on the like button below. That really helps me out. And also subscribe to my channel to get all the latest videos, updates on Facebook ads and funnels. So we've got the iOS 14 looming, which is literally just around the corner. So one of the things I'm seeing a lot of people not doing is configuring their web event. So I thought I'd make a quick video and show you step by step what you need to do to configure your web events. You need to do this ASAP. So to do this, what we need to do is come into your domains, click on the events manager, and then once you click on your events manager, you'll come to this particular page. On the left hand side, you'll have your pixels. So click on the pixel that's relevant to what you want to configure your web events for. Once you've done that, click on here. It says pixel conversions or aggregated event measurements. Click on this. And then what you need to do then is click on configure web events. Once you've clicked on that, you'll then come to this page, web event configurations. Click on your domain. And then I've already got mine set up, but I'm going to show you exactly what I've done to do that. So manage events. So your ability to make changes without any impact on your campaign will once the iOS 14 changes come to effect. These may take up to 72 hours for your ads or ad sets to be published once the configuration updates need to be done. So you need to do this ASAP, guys. So let's click on edit. So all you need to do is you'll come to this page and you'll see here we've got highest priority, lowest priority. So you need to put the priority of what event you want to come first. So for me it's purchases, then leads. So all you do is you click on the pixel, which is for me it's LSDM, whatever it may be for you. You click on that and that will come here. And then you click on the event you want to have connected to this particular highest priority. Once that's done, you obviously you would have clicked on the add event and then you submit. If you want a second event, you then do the same. You come here, you add a second event, and then the second event will come to just below the highest priority. Then you'll have the lowest priority. You do the same. The pixel, the event, and then it will tell you one event, and then you submit. So it's very important that you have the highest priority event that you want to make your priority in Facebook as the top one, and then obviously the lowest priority as your second one. Remember, event slots field 2 of 8, so you can do up to 8 events, but obviously you've got to have the priority. This is one of the things that you need to have configured for the iOS 14 update. So guys, if you haven't done it, it's going to take up to 72 hours to configure these once the iOS 14 update takes effect. So get these done ASAP. If you've got any problems, let me know. I hope that helps. If you require my services for running your ads for your particular business, then drop me a message in the link below. Happily run your ads or set them up and help you get your ads up and running. Obviously, it's a little bit more technical now with all these iOS 14 updates and trying to configure things. It's something that we're doing obviously with ourselves, our clients, and once you understand the process of doing it, then it makes life so much easier to make sure that your ads, whether you're selling a product or a service, you're actually getting a smooth conversion or website visit or whatever you want to actually occur with your outcome on Facebook ads. So if you're looking for a done-for-you service, then look no further. Lightspeed Digital Media are more than happy and willing to provide you with that service. Drop your links below, guys. Always like to get some comments. I'll reply to as many as I possibly can. And I hope that video helps, and I'll catch up with you later. Take care, guys. Bye.